In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and download your tax report on Etoro. Whether you're preparing your annual return or just keeping tidy records, having a clean, complete report of your trading activity is essential. Etoro makes this straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can quickly generate a report that covers the exact period you need. First, sign in to your Etoro account. Make sure you're logging in through a trusted connection, and if available, use two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're in, you'll be working from your main dashboard. Next, open the settings menu and choose account. This is where Etoro keeps your personal preferences, verification details, and most importantly for today, your official documents. Take a moment to confirm everything looks correct in your account profile, especially your country of residence and currency settings, since these can affect how figures appear in your reports. Now, scroll down to the document section. Here you'll find options like your account statements and tax reports. The labeling can differ slightly depending on your region, but you're looking for the place where Etoro lets you generate statements for a specific date range. From here, generate and download your account statement or tax report in your preferred format, either PDF or Excel. Before you click Generate, select the reporting period that matches what you need, whether that's the calendar year, a tax year in your country, or a custom range. The report includes all transactions for the selected period, such as deposits, withdrawals, trades, fees, and realized profits or losses. If you want a file that's easy to read and share, choose PDF. If you plan to analyze data, filter transactions, or import into a spreadsheet, choose Excel. When the file is ready, download it and save it somewhere secure with a clear name like Etoro Tax Report 2025 YYYMDD. Consider backing it up to an encrypted drive or a secure cloud folder. After downloading, open the report and quickly review key sections: totals, transaction lists, fees, and any withholding entries. Check that the dates match your intended range and that the currency is correct. If you don't see the exact report name you expect, look for account statements covering the same period. They typically include the necessary transaction details. Interface layouts can change, so the documents area remains the right place to look. And if anything seems off or you need region-specific formatting, reach out to Etoro support for clarification. That's it. Your Etoro tax report is now generated, downloaded, and ready for your records or your tax professional.